Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to look into a video something related to mutual funds. So there is one new NFO which is going to start from tomorrow, that is 4th of July. So which belongs to the Parag Parikh Fund House. So which is Parag Parikh Tax Saver Fund. So this is the third fund from that fund house. So we'll get in and see all the details about this NFO and everything. So let's get started. So the fund name is Parag Parikh Tax Saver Fund. The NFO period is from July 4, 2019 and which will close on July 18, 2019. So Parag Parikh Tax Saver Fund is an open-ended equity-linked savings scheme, which is basically ELSS scheme, sponsored by Parag Parikh Financial Advisory Services Private Limited. So this Parag Parikh Tax Saver Fund, which is basically a ELSS fund, will be launched by Parag Parikh Financial Advisory Services Private Limited, and this is an open-ended scheme, as I had told earlier, and as other ELSS scheme, this will also come in with a lock-in period for 3 years from the date of investment for every investment installment. And it is a diversified equity fund investing a minimum of 80% of its corpus in Indian equities. So basically this is a ELSS fund, which is equity linked savings scheme, which is basically used under used for saving tax under section 80C in the income tax of India. And this basically all the ELSS funds come in with a lock-in period of 3 years. So this fund also will come in with a lock-in period for 3 years. So this particular fund is a tax saver, is free to invest in stocks of all like small, mid and large sized companies based in India. So 80% will be into equities, and it can invest in any kind of sector, any sector or industries within India, and participate in buybacks and other special situation within India. So our scheme is ideal for patient investors who understand that equity investments are ideal investments only for long term, and prefer simple investment solutions rather than complex ones, welcome rather than fear stock market volatility. So basically, as I've told you all, stock investment or mutual fund investment should be for a very long period, so minimum of 5 years. So someone who has good patience only should start investing in mutual funds. The same way someone who has the patient of waiting for 3 years, because this fund comes in with a lock-in period of 3 years, so we will not be able to withdraw our money after investing into this, so we will need a lot of patience. So the fund managers, the three fund managers are going to take care of this fund. One is Rajiv Thakkar, the CIO and equity fund manager. Second one is Raunak Onkar, so he's the head of research and co-found manager. And the third one is Mr. Raj Mehet, so he's the fund manager for debt funds. So we will look into the scheme facts. So minimum investment amount is 500 rupees, and it is available in SIP and quarterly investment. So monthly is minimum investment is 1000 rupees, and for quarterly investment minimum amount is 3000 rupees. So SIP top up facility available. So SIP, STP or SWP is available in this particular fund, but SWP, that is switching out of this fund, is available only after 3 years. So basically after 3 years of the lock-in period, like from the date of investment, you all can choose to shift it, or do a SWP and get it back to your liquid fund. So next is the NAV. So the net asset value is declared at the end of each business day. So it will be declared in the end of each business day. There is no entry load as other mutual funds. The exit load is also nil, because basically if we do the redemption within 1 year or 365 days of the investment period, we will be charged with the exit load. But basically this fund comes in with the lock-in period, so we will not be able to withdraw or switch out of this fund within 3 years or within the 365 days. So there is no exit load. So after 3 years, when you withdraw it, there is no exit load. So capital gains tax treatment similar to any Indian equity diversified scheme. So under normal circumstances, the asset allocation percentage of net assets of the scheme portfolio will be as follows. So equity and equity related instruments will be, the allocation will be between 80 to 100%, and the risk profile is high. The debt instruments and money market instruments, the asset allocation is 0 to 20%, and the risk profile is low to medium. So Riskometer is this product is suitable for investors who are seeking long-term capital appreciation and investment predominantly in equity and equity-related securities. And this particular fund is a moderately higher risk fund. So these are the details of the NFO of this fund, which is just going to start off tomorrow. So if at all you all want to do the investment, you all can go ahead, or you all can wait for the portfolio to be released and then check out for the companies in which they have invested, because 80 to 100% will be invested in equity and equity related fund, stocks, and um, um, you know it is free to invest in any kind of sector or any market capitalization, like small, mid, or large cap stocks. So this has a lot of thing. And one benefit with this is, like, this is basically for the tax benefit. So this fund which we are saving in the ELSs can be used under ATC of Income Tax of India. So I have made a video on the difference between ELSs and PPF, and in that I have clearly told what is an ELSs fund and all the details of it. So I will be linking it in the end. After the video, you all can check out that video also, if at all, if anyone doesn't know what is an ELSs fund and how it works and how it is used under the IT, like income tax. You all can check out that video. So, and the other thing is, the allotment date is 24th of July, and the scheme will reopen on July 26th for regular investment. If at all you all miss with the during NFO, you all can do it after July 26th. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.